Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics,
Section 4.5, Problem 5. This is Section 4.5, Problem 5. It says translate the sentence into an equation, do not solve. And we have 128 is 60% of what number? So when you make an equation, you want to remember is will become an equals, of will become a multiply. So we have 128 is, so equals 60% of multiply, what number, it's unknown, so we can just leave n for number. That is an equation now, but it's a little bit nicer if you were actually going to solve this, make that 60% into a 0.60. 128 equals 0.60 times n. And 0.60 you could replace with 0.6 if you want, or you could leave 0.60.